Okay, let's say you want to look at a single row. Now, let's say it's the 200th row, and maybe you want to try it using indexing like this, df200. And what's interesting is that you get an error. This is probably a little bit surprising. Well, the indexing is different in data frames. And so if it is the name 200, which these are identified by the name and the number is the same here. Okay, this is key. You can actually access it through .lock. And that's the location of the name of the 200th row. Okay, and so if you press Shift Enter, you can see now it does show you 200 here, though what's surprising is that it shows it to you as a sort of almost like a column, even though it's not. Okay, and so it says D-type object here, so this is interesting. We could go ahead and check the type. Okay, so let's check the type of what we put in here, which is df.lock. Okay, and press Shift Enter, and it says it's a pandascore.series. Okay, so this is basically what the columns, individual columns, are made up of. They're called a series. Okay, and so that is different than a data frame. Okay, so this is up here that you're looking at is, even though it looks like it, is actually not a data frame. Okay, so if you want to look at a single row horizontally, what's interesting is that you could try df.lock from 200, and if you put in 201 like this, it's actually going to show them both because it's by location and it's actually inclusive. But if you try it via slicing, right, traditional slicing would be to include the 200th and to exclude the 201st. That's the way that you can actually show the individual row as a row as it sits in the data frame.